Hi, myself Harshal Borole. This is my wife Yogini, my daughter Bhargavi. This flat we bought around 7 to 8 years back. Last year only we decided to shift to this flat. But before moving to this flat, we decided to renovate it completely so it would looks like a completely new. And that is why I was searching in some good interior. Basically, I was searching for a total solution at one place. I came to know about Mangesh and Nisha from one of my friend. Okay, then he shared the contact number. Then we initiated the discussion. I saw some YouTube video. Day one from we met, everything was clear. We got a complete guidance on design, how the layout should be, how the things should be, where it should keep. 99% of things are managed only by them. I was just visiting after a couple of days how the progress is going on.
We are very happy working with them because they will work on the design till the time we get satisfied. They always suggested new ideas that we haven't thought, and now you can see the result. It looks like our dream home.
Hi, I'm Bhargavi Borole. So my favorite spot on this whole house is the balcony which they created. And talking about my room, I was just thinking of my room that there should be a bunk bed in my room, and they just created it the same way I wanted. And I was very amazed and very excited to have a walk-in in my room, and now I'm very happy for my room that has been finally created.
I will definitely recommend MMInterio for any kind of interior design and renovation work. Whoever come to me or I come to know, MMInterio and team is very good, skillful. I wish best of luck for them. They will get more and more and bigger projects in future.